Welcome to our Look AI plugin tutorial. Flat Sketch Print Apply prints directly onto flat sketches and convert them into realistic designs. Click or drag a flat sketch to upload. Upload a flat pattern image. After upload, resize patterns, shrink to auto-expand as seamless design. You can also input prompts to control clothing fabric and texture. Click the green Generate Look button in the bottom left to start. Click the small image below, hit Save and pop up. Image goes to right side Save project. Check out our creations now. Small floral pattern to seamless full set of realistic clothes with vivid folds and lighting. So how do you use it? Then, click Plugin Store at the bottom of the left toolbar, find Flat Sketch and Print, and hit the Pin button. Just hover over the left toolbar, you'll see the new feature added. Next up, Pattern to Texture. See you then!